Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not talking about. I don't want the stuff. Just and also I'm trying to understand Windows administration part, right? So, say how you gonna teach me like. Uh, mhm. So now there is one more thing: Windows Server administration. Can you? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. I do not see anything. Yes, you are showing me. Hmm. Computer, my laptop. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. So what if, yeah, what if it is like a 2 to 3 years guy? If we put this experience, we need to read the logs that level, or it's like a basic monitoring. What should be the basic duty? Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Mm. Okay. So can you cover Microsoft 365 administration and help desk support? No, the skill matrix, what I am looking for, Windows Server administration plus Microsoft 365 administration as well. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 I will let you know. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, I will decide and let you know definitely. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.